Hello students, how are you? Okay, fine, very good. Now again I am here to teaching you maths. Which subject? Maths. Okay. Now what we have already done in our last lectures, we had completed our first and second chapter. Okay. Now today we will start our new chapter. Okay. Today we will start new chapter. And the name of that chapter is numbers up to 99. In our second chapter, what is the name of second chapter? Number up to 9. Number up to 9. That means only ones digit number we have done. Okay. Now what we will do? The next chapter is numbers up to 99. Okay. That means now we will study 2 digits number. Okay. We already studied 1 digit number. Now we study 2 digit number. That means how do we write if number having 2 digits. Okay. Now first I am writing. No need to write just now. Third chapter. Numbers up to 99. Okay. No need to write. Only you have to listen. Okay. This is our oral part. Okay. What is 2 digit numbers? When we use 2 digits to write a number. Okay. For example, how many digits are there? There are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 9 numbers are single digit number. Okay. And whenever we write single digit number, its value is always ones. Its value is always ones. Okay. That means how many ones digit we have? We have 10 ones digit. 10 ones digit. Not till 10. It is starting from 0. 0 से लेकर 9 तक. Starting from 0 to 9. Okay. How many digits are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many digits are these? These are 10 digits. These are 10 digits and these are single digit numbers. And when we write these single digit, if we are using 2 digit to form a number, that means those number are known as 2 digits number. For example, after 9, which number will come? 1, 0, 10. After 9, which number will come? 1, 0, 10. Okay. So, how many numbers are there in 1 digit? How many digits are there in while we are writing 1? While we are writing 10, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? 2 digits, 0 and 1. Okay. So, 0 and 1 we write 2 digits, 0 and 1, and a new number is formed and that number is known as 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Again, if we use 2 different digits, suppose 1 and 1 I am writing, then a new number will form, and how do we read this number as 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. If again I use 2 different digits, then see what number will form? 1 and 2. I am writing 2 different digits and a new number is formed. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. I hope all of you know number till 100. Okay. Now you should know how these number form and how do we read this number and how do we write the name of these numbers. Okay. So while we are writing a 2 digit number, first we write a number at its ones place and then we write it at tens place. Okay. So today I show you how we write a number from 1 to 100. Okay. See. Write with me. Take out your copies. All of you. Take out your copies. And write today's date. What is the date today? You have to write that date. Okay. And write start writing from new page, new topic, new chapter. Always start writing from new page. First write the heading of the chapter. What is the heading of the chapter? What is the name of the chapter? First write 3. This is new chapter 3. Then write the name of the chapter, numbers up to 99. What is the name of this chapter? Numbers up to 99. Okay. Now, while we are writing number, when we are writing number, okay, we write first tens and ones. Okay. So O stands for ones. Ones place single digit. Always we write at ones place column. And when we write, while we are writing 2-digit number, so first number we write at ones place and then we move to tens place. Okay. All of you have written this chapter name in your classwork copy. Okay. Now write T and 0. In one box you write T and in another box you write 0. Okay. You are having box like copies. So in this way you have to write T in one box and O in another box. So first we write 1. So 1 will come in which column? Ones column. Okay, because it is single digit. Because 1 is single digit. So we write single digit in ones column. Now which number will come? 2. 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. Now last is 10. Last number is 10. Last number is 10. So in 10, how many digits are there? Well, while writing we are 10, how many digits are there? 2 digits. 1, 0, 10. So where we write 1 and where we write 0. So 1, 0, 10. So the first digit is come at 0. 0 will come at tens place. Sorry, ones place and 1 will come at tens place. Okay. So 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now skip one box. You have to skip one box. You have to leave one box. Then again start writing. Again start writing. Okay. Again start writing. In one box you have to write T for tens and another box you have to write O for ones. Okay. Now after 10 which number will come? After 10 which number will come? Say after 10 1, 1, 11. So 1, 1, 11, then 1, 2, 12, then 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. I hope all of you are writing with me. Are you copying from the board? All of you are writing with me? Very good. Write fast because you know how to write the counting numbers 1 to 100. All of you know. So write fast. Okay. मुझे हरा दो, मुझसे आगे निकल जाओ. Okay. Okay. Now next. Again skip one box. You have to skip one box. Now again from the new box what you have to write? You have to write T in one's column and O in another column. You have to write T in one's column and ones in another column. Here at which number we ends? What is our last number here? Here our last number is 2020. 2020. That means from here we start from which number? 2121. 2121. After 21 will be 2222. 2222. Then 2323. 2323. Next 2424. 2424. Next 2525. 2525. Next 2626. 2 6 26. Next 2 7 27. Next 2 8 28. Next 2 9 29. And after 29, after 2 which number will come? 3 0 30. 3 0 30. Now next again skip one line. If you don't have space in the same page, what you have to do? You have to continue from the next page. Take new page and start writing. Okay. Start new page. Start writing from new page if there is no space in your copy. Okay, now next again write T in one box and ones in another box. Here we stop at 3 0 30. So here from which number we start? 3 1 31, 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39. After 39 is 4 0 40. Okay. Now again leave one box. You have to skip one box and again from the new box what you have to write? You have to write T for tens and O for ones. Okay. Now again start writing with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and write one number in one box. Okay, don't write two number in one box. Okay, see how I am writing? I am writing one number in one box. In the similar way you also write. Okay, after 4 0 40 which number will come? 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, and last 5 0 50. 5 0 50. Okay. Now if you don't have space in the same page, what you will do? You will take the new page for writing other accounting. Okay. Or if you have space on the same page, you continue from the same page. Again skip one line. Then what is your heading? Your heading will be, first you have to write tens for T and ones for O. Okay. Okay, here we stopped at 5 0 50. So which number will come here? 5 1 51. Then next will be 5 2 52. Next 5 3 53. Next 5 4 54. 5 6 56. 5 7 57. 5 8 58. Okay, I skipped one number here. Are you notice which number I have skipped? कौन सा नंबर छोड़ दिया मैंने? हाँ? Yes, 5 5 55. But I hope all of you have written this number. You have written? Very good. 5 5 55. 5 6 56. 5 7 57. Next number will be 5 8 58. 5 9 59 and 6 0 60. Okay. Now again leave one line, skip one line. and start writing from new box. First write the heading of tens and ones. Okay, now which counting we starts? Here we stop at 6060. So here which number will come? 61 61. Next 62 62. 63 63. 64 64. 65 65. 66 66. 67 67. 68 68. 69 69. Next will be 70 70. Very good. Now again you have to skip one box and again write the heading first. Heading tens and ones. Tens and ones. Okay. Now here we write till 70. Now which number will come here? 71 71. 72 72. Next 73 73. Yes. Next 74 74. 75 75. 76 76. 77 77. 78 78. 79 79 and 80 80. 80 80. Okay, now again skip one line. Leave one box. You have to leave one box and write the new heading. What was your heading? Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Okay. So what was the last number here? 80 80. So from here we start writing from which number? After 80 80 which number will come? Which number will come? 81 81. Okay. 81 81. Next 82 82. Then 83 83. Then 84 84. 85 85. 86 86. 87 87. Next 88 88. Next 89 89. And after 89 which number will come? 90 90. 90 90. Okay, now next last line. Again you have to drop one box, leave one box and write the heading here. Tens and ones. Okay. So here the last number that we have written is 9090. So from here, from which number we start writing? We start writing from 91 91. Then 92 92. Then 93 93. Yes. Next number 94 94. 95 95. Next 96 96. Next 97 97. Next 98 98. Next 99 99. Now what will come after 99 99? Okay, which number will come after 99 99? The number that comes after 99 is 100. Okay, and how do we write 100? 100. Okay, while writing 100, how many zero we place? We put 2 zeros. Okay, when we are writing 100, we place two zeros, 1, 0, 0. So how many digits are there when we are writing 100? 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, how many digits are there? 1, 2 and 3. But the counting that we have written here is having only 2 digits. These counting that we have written just now, all are having 2 digits. That's why we have written only T and 0, T and O, tens and ones. But this 100 is having 3 digits. Okay, so what we write? We write one. We increase one more column for writing 100. Okay, so 10 will come in the place of tens. Another 0 we also place it in the tens place. Now right here we make one more column of 100. Okay, so here we write 1. It will become 1, 0, 0, 100. That means while writing hundreds, how many digits? While writing 100 number, 100 place digit, we use 3 digits. We use 3 digits for writing 100. Okay, so it's what is the place value? The place value of 0 is 1. The place value of another 0 is tens, and the place value of 1 is 100. So how do we read this number 100? This is known as 100. Okay, 100 is 100. All of you have written the number counting. Okay. No need to write, only you have to listen. Okay, just now don't write. I am explaining you how we count in tens. Counting in tens. Okay, this is a oral part, don't write. Okay, you only have to listen. If only one 10 is there, how many 10 is there? Only one 10 is there. Okay, that means 10. So how do we read it as? Only 10. 10, 10. Okay, if two tens are there, how many tens are there? Two tens. That means 10 plus 10. How many tens I have written here? Two tens. That means 10 plus 10. And 10 plus 10 will become 20, 20. 10 plus 10 will become 20, 20. Okay, if three tens are there, okay, that means you have to write tens. How many times? 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10. So what will become? 10 plus 10 plus 10. That means you have to add it. 10, 20, 30. It will become 30. Okay. Now if 4 tens are there, then it will become 40. 10. How do we write it as? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 tens will become 40. 4 tens, we will call 4 tens as 40. We will similarly, we can write 5 tens as 50. Okay. 6 tens as, how do we write 6 tens? We write 6 tens as 60. Okay, that means we are having bunch of 10. Okay, we are having bunch of 10. And how many bunch of 10 we are having? 6. 10-10 के ग्रुप है हमारे पास. कितने ग्रुप हैं 10-10 के? 6 ग्रुप्स हैं. And when we add all the tens, what we will get? We will get a new number, that is 60. Okay. Now if there are 7 tens, that means how many bunch of tens we are having? 7. Then 7 tens is known as 70. Okay, 7 tens is known as 70. Now 8 tens. 8 tens is known as 80. That means we are having bunch of 10. How many tens we are having? 8. Okay, and the bunch of 10, 8 is known as 80. Now 9 tens. 9 tens is known as 90, and 10 tens is known as 100. Okay, so in this way we count in tens. How do we count in tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. In this way we count in tens. Okay, the last digit, the counting we have written on the last numbers, what will come? 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is a bunch of 10, 10, and at last we write 10, 20, 30. In this way we count in tens. Okay, again I am counting in tens. Listen carefully. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and after 90 which number will come? 100. Okay, after 90 which number will come? 100. Okay, so in this way we write the numbers till 100, and how we read the number as, that is known as number names. So in our next topic, what we will do? We will write the number names of numbers. Okay, you have already written number name till 10. You have written? Okay, today again we will write. Okay, today again we will write the number names. Okay, so I hope all of you have written that counting from 1 to 100. You have written? Okay, so take out new page. Take out new page. Okay. Okay, now write a new topic. Write number names. Write number names 1 to 10. This you have to write. Number names 1 to 10. Write just now. Write with me. Number names 1 to 10. Okay. This you have to write with me. Number names 1 to 10. Again you write T in one column, 0 in another column. Okay. T in one column, 0 in another column. So first we will write 1. How do we write? O-N-E, 1. Okay. 2, T-W-O, 2. Next, 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Next, 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Okay, I am not writing here because you are not able to see. So I am writing here. If you have space, I know that there is space in your copy. So you continue writing from same page. Okay? Okay? Okay. Now you continue from the same. I am writing here ones and tens. F-I-V-E, 5 we have written. Now next is 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X, 6. Next, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Next, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Next, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. And 10. How do we write 10? 1 in tens column and 0 in ones column. Tens. T-E-N, 10. Okay. Write it. Okay, so today our work completed. Now in our next lecture, what we will do, we will write the number name from 11. Okay, just continue the number name. We will write the next number name. Okay, all of you write the number name. I know all of you know how to write number name till 10. Okay, those who have not written just now, write afterwards, but make sure that you write this content. This must contain in your notebook. Okay, bye.